Hey you guys, so this is my very first blowout I've ever done. And basically what I'm doing is breaking down everything I'm using for this blowout and what I used the day before. Love these products. They were recommended from Natural85, who's a wonderful hairstylist on YouTube. I was trying to figure out what setting to put the blow dryer on, and I actually worked that out to use the low setting with warm heat, low air. I really lathered my hair in this heat protectant spray by Aveda. Worked really good. And I made sure I twisted each section after I was done to separate it and to make sure that it stayed, you know, as long as it could.
The next day.
The next day, I took it all out. It was stretched and banded, and I got some oil to moisturize my ends, especially. And I started untwisting my hair. And it was pretty good. It was pretty easy. It just took a little while. And then here we go. It's all out, and I'm showing you the back and giving you a little twirl. I'm feeling myself at this point. I did not do my edges. But anyway, I ended up really liking the results, and the process wasn't too bad. I'm not gonna lie, it took a lot longer than I thought it would take. It ended up taking me 2 hours to blow dry, and that was including twisting. And here I am, I'm just showing you how long my hair actually is. Because I didn't go on the high setting, it didn't, stretch it out as long as it possibly could go. Some people press their hair with flat irons afterwards. To me, I just felt like that would be too much heat. My biggest thing is keeping, my hair as healthy as possible. Also, with banding every night and twisting it at the end of the day, I'm pretty sure I can get my length even longer without needing to resort to heat. But overall, I really enjoyed it, and I got volume. And so, yeah, let me know what you think in the comments.
Moonlight in my window, going up like crescendo. You and I, drums hitting a bass line. You and I, and coins on the same side. That's what it feels.